How to create a simple 3D text effect in Photoshop. First, go to File and create a new document. Click the color box and the color picker, choose gray color. Just copy these settings below it. Select the horizontal type tool. Go to window and choose the character. Click the text color box and choose the white color. Just copy these settings. Close the character and click on your document and type out your text. Select the Move tool and position the text in the center. Go to the Layer panel. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Select Drop Shadow. Click the shadow color and the color picker, choose black color. Just copy these settings. When you're done, click OK. Press Ctrl J to duplicate text layer. Press Ctrl T to select the free transform tool. Press the up arrow key to move the text 1 pixel. Hit Enter or Return on the keyboard. Press Ctrl Shift Alt T multiple times to create an amazing 3D effect. Select the 12 layers by holding down Shift key. Press Ctrl G to place them into a folder group. And this is the result.